What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, y'all. Y'all, all I had was this little scraggly base. I've already cut it down to size. It was 9 feet, and I cut it the length of the rail. Step one, we got to fluff this little sad thing out. Y'all, when I tell you it's sad, y'all, this was $2.38 at Walmart, and I got it 90% off. All right, y'all, we finally made it to the end of this thing. Now, y'all, this is Christmas mesh, okay? But it's a fun lime green, and lime green is good for Halloween. All right, after we add most of our other stuff, we won't even be able to see the little bit of silver that's in here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be real honest with you. I'm right-handed. So if I try to make this garland from this side, it's gonna come out wonky. So I'm gonna start on the other end and work with the way that I go. All right, so where we're at, y'all, I'm gonna get a nice poof like this, right, to go on the end. All right, y'all, and then we're just gonna make about 10-inch poofs all the way down the garland. And I like to do mine about a hand width apart, right? My hand's about 7 inches. And from this twist to this twist, we're gonna go about 7 inches. All right, y'all, just a couple more poofs here. Y'all, and look, we're gonna put so much stuff on here that it won't even matter if the poofs aren't perfect. Last poof, and then we're gonna do our little end piece. All right, let's trim this. This is poly mesh with burlap strings in it. And this is poly mesh, poly burlap. So jute poly, poly burlap. I'm gonna cut mine about 20 inches. And I'm just gonna cut through this whole roll. So on the 20-inch cut, we're gonna roll in each side just a little bit to hide those cuts. And then you're gonna just crunch it down the middle to make a little ruffle. Y'all, and I'm not gonna add these in the twist ties. I'm gonna add them around the outside. Right? So just for enough apart that the tips touch a little bit. Y'all, I'm just gonna work my way all the way down one side. All right, y'all, let's turn this thing around. All right, so now I'm just gonna start on the other side and go that way. Whenever I get ready to attach this to the rail, I'm just gonna zip tie it up there. So I'm just putting the zip tie through the wire frame of the garland. And then I'm just gonna zip tie it to the rail. Y'all, and then I'm gonna decorate it while it's hanging on the rail so that it's easier to see where all the stuff needs to go. Now, I'm not gonna tighten the zip ties all the way. That way I can rotate it on the rail however I need to. Y'all, I didn't get enough zip ties. That's really all I got tonight, y'all. Y'all, good night. Don't forget, you can text the phone number in the message. It actually comes to my phone. And make sure you go to makersvirtualsummit.com and sign up for the free summit that we're hosting with Michaels. And maybe I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night, y'all.